Here we are looking at curves and polygons. We'll start with curves. So if you take a pencil and without lifting it, means if you take pencil and without lifting it, you move it aimlessly. So some figures will be drawn like this. You just move the pencil and move it aimlessly. So these figures represent, or you can say these are the curves. And in general terms, curves means which is this is slightly curved here, which is not straight. This is general observation. And in mathematics we can say that there are two terms: open curves, a curve which does not cut itself, and closed curve, a curve which cut itself, a curve which cut itself. This is closed curve. Now position of a point with respect to curve. So let's say if a curve drawn on a plane it divides the plane into three disjoint parts. It divides the plane into three disjoint parts. First, point lying inside curve. Second, point lying on the curve or its boundary. And third, point lying outside of curve. So let's say if we draw a curve like this, and let's say this point A, B and C. So point A lies inside of the curve, B lies on the boundary or on the curve, and C lies outside of the curve. We are just looking at these terms. Terms related to curves. Now polygons. So polygon is a closed curve formed by the line segments such that no two line segments intersect except at their endpoints, and no two line segments with a common end points are coincident. So a polygon is a curve closed curve formed by the line segments, and these are two conditions of that line segments. So let's see figures of the polygon. Let's say this is A, B, C. So this is a polygon formed by the line segments, which we before that we just see that two terms, line segments or lines forming polygon are called its sides, and the endpoints of the line segments, are called its vertices. So based on this is a polygon shaped as a triangle, polygon having sides AB, BC and CA, and the A, B, C are the vertices. Then this is a polygon A, B, C, D. So this is a polygon having sides AB, BC, CD and DA with the vertices A, B, C and D. Now tell me whether A, B, C, whether this is polygon or not. This is not a polygon because side BC is not a line segment. And what we have said about polygon? Polygon is a closed curve formed by line segments, and there are two conditions for that line segments. So this is not a B and C, this is curve but not a line segment. So this is also curve, but it's a closed curve formed by the line segments. But what we have studied is earlier what we have said, that curve which is not straight, but that was the general observation. But here we said closed curve, a curve which cut itself, and open curve which does not cut itself. And polygons are closed curves, means a curve which cut itself. So this is how, if we take total shape in consideration, it is not straight, it is made up of line segments. But we can go deep further inquiring what polygon actually is.